Welcome back, guys. And if your screen is locked and you are just seeing the this panel, and you are trying to switch off on this Wi-Fi, it will ask for the pattern. If you want to sound, it will allow. If you want to switch on mobile data, this will not allow. So some features are allowed. Some, if you want to on the touch, you can do. So some features are allowed, some features are not allowed. In this video I am going to tell you how in the lock screen also you can activate that Wi-Fi and mobile data. So not wasting much of your time. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this. Please share it to your friends on social media platform. Thank you. So just coming to the topic, so just unlock it first by fingerprint. It is unlocked. Now go to the, it is see, it is in pink color. I will change it later. Just go to the setting, go to the lock screen, and then go to the secure lock setting. Just enter the pattern. Now here one setting is there, lock, network and security. There are many settings. Make pattern visible. If you can switch off, pattern will be not visible. 5 seconds after, you can increase the time. Then side key, lock instantly with side key. If a smart call is in effect, then phone will stay unlocked. Auto factory reset means if 15 incorrect items are there to unlock your phone, the phone will be automatically, auto factory reset mode will be started. All data will be erased, including file and downloaded apps. So I will not switch it off. You can switch it on. You can switch it on. Why will not switch it on? Because of testing purpose, it may happen with me. So that is lock, network and security. You should be prevent Wi-Fi, mobile data from being turned off when your phone is locked. If you are switching it on, and then suppose you are locking your phone, just lock and then go there, and then if it now tries, it is again asking, oh, we have to change that setting. Na? We have not changed that. Go to the lock screen, go to the secure lock setting, then here we have to switch it off, not on. So now we can also try, just lock it, then this, then come. Now see, now we can switch it off on. So this is all about that thing, how to switch it off and on. Then I will once restore it, just tap to the Google and then tap to the settings, then search widget, customize widgets, and go to the Google, go this, then go to the force, the solid, restore the default styles. Now it is restored to the default. It is not coming here. Again we will go, because we have not saved it, na? That's why it has not opened. Just go to the settings, search widget, customize widget, then restore to the default and save. Now it will change. See, it has changed. So this was all about today's tutorial. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Please pass on this video to your friends on social media platform. Thank you very much, guys.